Time now for this evening's health report. Here's Shamela Pullen.
Cancer is a complex group of diseases with multiple potential causes. These include genetic factors, lifestyle habits like smoking and poor diet, infections and environmental exposures to harmful chemicals and radiation. Over the years, Jamaica, like other countries in the Caribbean and around the world, has seen a rise in cancer cases.
According to a survey that was done, WHO said that the incidence of cancers globally would have increased by 75%. So we are currently at 30% going to 50%. So by 2050, we'll be at 75%. And that is why the belief is that where our nurse practitioners are poised in terms of health centers in which they are assigned and work in communities, both rural and otherwise, they are poised to identify, manage, refer, and treat these patients.
On the plus side, there have been significant advancement in medical technology, making it easier to detect cancer.
Jamaicans have become more health conscious, so their lifestyle habits and their dietary habits have changed over the time, and the persons are seeking to go to Google. They see a pimple on their skin, they take a picture of it via Google Photos and Google to see what it is. Health-seeking patterns have also changed. We have our persons living longer, so you have more persons going to the clinics for assessment and follows up and checkups and things like those.
These advancements are also helping to identify groups that are at higher risk for certain diseases.
Over the years, breast cancer has been one of the most leading assessment and diagnosis of cancers in the island, which is followed by prostate cancer and then cervical cancer. Years ago, cervical cancer was a big girl, but because of our intervention to the Cancer Society and other practitioners, that has somewhat taken a backstage. So now we have breast cancer and cancer of the prostate being our major runners in terms of prostate in our males, breast cancer in our females.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.